My biggest problem became my next startup. Here is how. I'm stuck editing video again. It's the third time this month. So I open my laptop, fire up my IDE and build a project that saves me hours. This is how my tools are born, not from ideas, but from problems I actually face. Last week I spent 2 hours editing a 5-minute video, cutting bad takes, finding good ones, syncing everything. It was boring, repetitive work that killed my creativity. So I built a solution. Check this out. 2 buttons, red for bad takes, green for good ones. Click during recording, get perfect cuts automatically. No more manual editing, no more wasted hours. But here is what's interesting. This isn't just a tool, it's a potential business. Because if I have this problem, other creators probably face it as well. And that's exactly how solo startups should work. Here is a golden formula. You don't start with market research. You hit a wall, you design the ladder. You build something that works for you and solves your pain. Then you find others who need the same solution. I'll show you exactly how this tool works, how it fits into my goal of earning 20k per month, and why I built in this way. Recording videos for YouTube should be simple. Write a script, record it, upload. But reality hit different when you actually go live. I record the same sentence 10 times, each attempt trying to get the pronunciation right, the timing perfect, the energy consistent. I spend an hour recording just to get 5 minutes of usable content. Then comes the nightmare – editing. I open my video editor, 40 GB of raw footage stares back at me. Somewhere in this mess are the good takes, the ones worth keeping. But finding them, that's where I lose my mind. 2 hours later I have a rough cut, 2 more hours adding effects and transitions, 4 hours total for a 5-minute video. And that's just the editing. Not the creative work, not the storytelling, just the mechanical cutting and pasting. I can't believe my eyes, existing solutions don't work. Descript wants me to upload 40 GB to their cloud. They ask you to subscribe for it. CapCut has AI transcriptions, but it cuts words randomly. Sometimes it leaves awkward silences. Sometimes it chops off the beginning of sentences. And here is what really frustrated me. I knew exactly which takes were good. Right after recording each sentence I could tell you that one was perfect or that one sucked, try again. But there was no way to capture that knowledge, no way to market. But here is the thing about being a solo founder. You can't just complain about problems, you have to solve them. And sometimes solving your own problem becomes your next business. The vision became clear. If I'm having the problem, other creators probably are too. Solo YouTubers who write scripts, course creators who record lessons, anyone who cares about quality and records multiple takes. The market for video editing tools is huge, but most tools focus on effects and transitions. Very few focus on the workflow problem, the problem of managing multiple takes efficiently. I decided to build my own solution, not just for me, but as a potential product, a tool that could save creators hundreds of hours and maybe generate real revenue. The solution hit me during recording a video. What if I could mark good and bad takes while recording, not after, during? Keyboard pedals felt like the answer until I actually used them. Voice control? Worked fine once. Final solution. 2 buttons, red and green, simple as a traffic light. I grab my Mac, open cursor and start vibe coding. The concept is straightforward, an interface with 2 giant buttons. When I click red, it timestamps a bad take. When I click green, it marks a good one. All stored in a JSON file with precise timing data. I sync my phone's clock with my camera's timestamp. Now every button press corresponds to an exact moment in the video file. No guessing, no manual searching, just pure data. The recording workflow becomes magical. I read my script, mess up a sentence, click red. Try again. Nail it perfectly, click green, move to the next section. After recording, I download the JSON file and feed it to my second piece of software. This one runs locally on my Mac. It reads the timestamps, finds the good takes, cut them automatically using FFMPEG. The technical challenge was trickier than expected. FFmpeg has quirks. When you copy video streams, it sometimes adds black frames. When you encode streams, it takes forever with 4K footage. I needed a hybrid approach. First pass, copy streams quickly but accept the black frame bug. Second pass, trim silence from the beginning and end of each clip with encoding. The result? Perfect video segments, no black frames, no awkward silences. No manual editing required. I built this entire system in one day. Cursor made it possible. The web part took 2 hours. Video pipeline took 4 hours of testing and debugging. The silence trimming script took another hour. Total development time 7 hours. Time saved per video 2 hours. Break-even point 4 videos. But here is what makes this a potential startup. The solution works, it solves a real problem, and the approach is different from the existing tools. The key insight is not a technical complexity, it's understanding the exact workflow pain. Instead of building complex AI solution, I focused on simplicity. Let the creator decide what's good. Simple tech stack, JavaScript website, bash scripts, FFmpeg cuts the video, no databases, no cloud dependencies. This simplicity works. Creators need offline tools for heavy files, no uploading to random servers. I tested it on my videos. Click record, the output was perfect. Clean cuts, ready for final editing in CapCut. Professional editors follow a simple rule: 1 hour of editing per minute of final video. That's the industry standard. Short videos take even longer. TikTok creators spend 2 hours editing per minute of content. But creators aren't professional editors. They are slower, much slower. Reddit surveys show the reality. Yeah, creators spend 1-2 hours editing per minute of content. Some report 8-15 hours for a single video. One creator mentioned 40 hours for a 30-minute video. Now imagine 155 million creators doing the same thing, fixing awkward cuts, every single day. You feel it? It's a global time sink. The creator economy is worth 200 billion in 2024. It's projected to hit 480 billion by 2027. Video editing tools, 2.33 billion market size. Massive gap, massive potential. People already pay for such tools. But here is what I want you to take away. Solopreneurship isn't about brainstorming the next big idea. The best ideas come from friction you face every day. Complaining doesn't build business, action does. Don't invent a product built for yourself. You could test every feature immediately. This is the power of building in public. I'm not just sharing finished products, I'm sharing the entire journey. If the product fails, I'll still have a useful tool and a tested approach for other products. Listen, find what annoys you. That's your launchpad. AI agents make building faster than ever. The technical barriers are disappearing. Nothing stops you but starting. I'll keep using this tool for every video I make. I'll refine it based on real usage. I'll document what works and what doesn't. If you are interested in this tool, contact me. If enough people want this, it will be a real product. Until then, keep building, keep sharing your journey. Have a good day. Bye!